What's up guys, it's Drifts and Lifts here. Alright, so today's video, we are finally back at Mission Raceway. It's been a while since I came to the track, but finally we have a trusty drift car back out. So if you guys saw the last video, we got the gold car hooked up with a max ECU and a built head, making 155 wheel horsepower, so a little more than we used to make on this car. So me and Ella here actually just recently bought this 1989 740 sedan. So this is a bone stock car, automatic transmission, non-turbo. It's essentially the exact same car as this car, just a bone stock version. So we're gonna go have some fun in this car, and then I think halfway through the day we might throw the GoPro inside this car and attempt to drift it. This car is still an open differential with an automatic transmission and a stock NA engine that makes like 95 horsepower. I don't really know if it's gonna drift that well. We're gonna give it our best shot when we can, but I think it'll be pretty funny seeing a comparison of a bone stock 740 and a fully built drift 740 on the same track. Before we hop in and go drifting though guys, I want to let you know we still have our merch for sale on the store. So I'm actually rocking one of our Drifts and Lifts Brick Drift Pale Ale shirts today. We actually did some modifications to the design of this, if you check it out. It's got some hood pipe flames, and we changed the rims a little bit, changed the colors a little bit, keep it looking fresh. We also have our new Swed Sleds design up on the store right now. So if you guys want to check that out, here's a little preview of it. So we have our Swed Sleds Car Club on hoodies and t-shirts up on the Drifts and Lifts store. So hit the link in the description of this video if you want to support the channel in that way. But all right guys, I say we hop in the gold car and we go do some laps. Alright guys, so first run, let's test out this new course. I have no clue how I'm going to go about it. We'll just wing it for this first run. That's really fun actually.
That's awesome.
Heck yeah. Alright guys, so despite the car only making 150 horsepower, which was a little bit less than I was hoping, it still burns the tires in third gear plenty good. So the car feels super nimble. This thing just chucks around so easily. I really like the suspension setup of this car. I'm running no rear sway bar right now, and I have a big IPD sway bar up front. So it makes the grip feel pretty balanced in this car. The rear tires, I'm running like 175 millimeter wide, small little tires. So if I put something beefier, I might need to put that sway bar back on. But as of right now, I really like how it feels. So we're just gonna huck it around for a bit here. right, so the first kind of test of the gold car here went really good. Car drift's amazing. Extra 40 to 50 wheel horsepower from last time that I had drifted this car really helps out. So this car is a full-on drift car. As you guys know, it's stripped under 2,400 pounds. It's got a welded differential, modified steering knuckles, extended lower control arms, racing seat, extra horsepower, more RPMs, racing steering wheel, the whole package. It's realistically the fully modified version of this car. So we're gonna test if you can take a bone stock 740 automatic non-turbo right out of the box and get it to slide at all. I honestly don't really know. I know you can do it in the rain, but in the dry is gonna be a big challenge. We're gonna go give it our best shot. So let's see how it goes. Let's do a little full throttle pin. We'll see how it goes. Okay, it's got like some power. Hopefully we can get it up to a fast enough speed. Instantly adapting from a car with modified steering knuckles to a stock steering setup is really weird because the steering ratio changes quite a bit when you modify your steering knuckles. So yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll chuck it into second gear and see what it can do. We'll just keep her pinned. All right guys, so we're gonna need some speed into this. I'm a little scared. Okay, I'm gonna have to big mangy flick it. Oh my God. Okay, so I could get some oversteer if I really chucked it. I'll give it another go on this next lap. All right, so I do believe second gear is probably our best bet for this. Let's see if we can at least get it sideways around like the first corner. Just huge mangy flick. Fuck. Oh my God, that is a challenge. You really got to toss this thing. All right guys, I'm not giving up until I get this thing sideways at least around 2 corners. I really want to get it around the first corner. I'm just gonna have to chuck it a few more times. I'm doing like one Scandinavian flick, but I'll have to like go back and forth a few times to really upset the weight of the car so it actually kicks out. Okay, so I'm gonna go like, oh. Holy shit, it's fucking terrifying. All right, we got my girlfriend filming from out of car. Let's make her proud. All right guys, here we go. Big flick. Oh my God, it's so hard to keep it out. It really doesn't work that well. You know, with a welded diff though, and a bit of weight reduction, I don't see why you couldn't get this thing pretty sideways around most of this track. Okay, let's go again one more time. Big flick. Nice, that was the best one yet. I think we even got some tire smoke going there. All right guys, so the bone stock 740 did actually a little better than I thought it would. If I chucked it hard enough, I was able to get it sideways. I wouldn't recommend buying an auto non-turbo if you plan on not modifying it to drift. You're gonna need either snow or rain to have any sort of fun, but at the end of the day, you really need a welded diff at the bare minimum. That's what you're gonna need to have one of these cars slide. But you know, a welded diff, a little bit of weight reduction, you know, maybe like a different camshaft in the engine, and then you probably have some fun sliding one of these things without, you know, anything else done to it. But so I hope that gives you a good comparison of a bone stock 740 compared to a pretty highly modified one. So we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the day, watch a bit of this competition, go for a couple more laps, and it's pretty much a wrap up. So thanks for watching guys. Make sure to check out the Drifts and Lifts store for our merch. We got our new Swed Sleds Car Club design up on the store now. So if you want to support the channel, great way to do it. So I can keep on making cooler Volvos as we go along. And yeah, like and subscribe for round Volvo bottoms. Peace out.